Throughout the history of humankind, life's greatest feelings and experiences have always been driven by the transcendence of passion. I'm Anin. I'll take you through on this latest BMW collaboration. Inspired by the visceral aspect of life, Jeff Koons created a rolling sculpture that is meticulously crafted to highlight the very aspect of life that touches human souls. Over 200 hours of manual work were spent by highly specialized professionals at the BMW Group plants. The expressive and striking design combines 11 different exterior colors, from blue to silver, from yellow to black. Our finest merino leather seats are made up of striking red and blue, reflecting the color of superheroes from the comic book universe, and our high-performance models BMW M. The exploding lines are an homage to Jeff Koons' 2010 BMW art car, which is the BMW M3 GT2 race car. The pop on each side and the vapor thrust imagery symbolize the power and speed of the 8X Jeff Koons. Edition of the new 8 is very special to the artist. It's his dream car. BMW Indonesia is proud to announce that Indonesia has been chosen as the only country in Southeast Asia to witness this art on 4 wheels.